Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is weird because you're not seeing my face, but I am home and I am going to be home for the next 2 weeks, and I am so excited that I got this package. This is the brand, with a bath bomb brand that you see me using all the time here on this channel and on my Instagram. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, be sure you go check out all the other videos. I'm going to have a specific playlist, and go check out my Instagram because I show little demos of this. But this brand is from Lizzysfizzies, and I do have a code down below, or I'll put it right up here on the screen. You can use this code to get 15% off your order. So this says thank you, and these are some really fun bath bombs that she recently came out with. This card is adorable. Thank you so much for your purchase. I greatly appreciate your patience, Lizzie. No evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwellings, in the name of Jesus Christ. So adorable. So this is what I said, Lizzysfizzies. Go follow her on Instagram, and also her shop is on Etsy. So there you go. Also follow her on Facebook because she always shows little sneak peeks on what she's going to be coming out with. Now I'm so excited for this. She's actually going to be starting up her Easter bath bomb soon, but these are just some other really fun ones that she came out. She came out with like some Willy Wonka ones and stuff like that, and some dinosaur ones. I kind of forgot what I ordered, but this is like perfect timing, guys, because self-quarantine, I'm staying inside for 2 weeks, and I love taking myself a bath. So throughout this video, I'll show like probably one demo. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to. I will be showing you what's in this box, and then in a future video, you are going to see some demos of these. So let's open this up. She always packages it like so amazing. So what I'm going to do is actually see, she bubble wrap them, so obviously it's kind of hard to see. So what I'm going to do is, well, I guess it's like not that hard. It was that easy. So this is the dinosaur egg bath bomb, which inside of this, there's like a little dinosaur toy, I'm pretty sure. This one is for Hunter, so obviously you're not going to see this one in the next few days. Well, actually, no, that's a lie. I don't know why I wasn't thinking that I was going to have Hunter. I'm going to get Hunter back Saturday night, so this will be a fun little thing for him to come back to mommy's house and play with this adorable little bath bomb. I'll show you guys his reaction and everything, but I'll do that on Instagram just because I don't want someone to be like, oh, there's a kid in a bathtub, you know, here on YouTube. So this is super cute. It's called, ooh, it's the scent of cotton candy. I'm so excited for that. How'd you get Hunter Bug something? All right. Next up is this right here. Oh my gosh. This is one that I'm so excited about. Look how freaking adorable this is. So this is Ursula, and this is in the scent Bottom Naked. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to see what that smells like. How cute is this, guys? She is so creative in her like painting on how she does it with the bath bombs. I've never seen anyone else do this before. And her bath bombs are by far my favorite bath bombs I've ever tried. And I could say that over and over and over again. Just because they're very pigmented, too. They don't stay in the tub. You do have to scrub the tub afterward, but it's not like something that, oh my gosh, I have to scrub the tub. And then the scent of them are amazing. So look how cute that is. I'm so excited to use this one. Also, these are really hard to use. Oh my gosh, aw. Okay, she does send me one. She sends, if I place an order, she sends me like one or two, or I'm not sure how she does it, but she always sends me one just for like purchasing, because I am like a, I don't know if you'd call it like an affiliate or whatever, but she sent me the little gamer thing, the PlayStation controller or whatnot, like, look how freaking cool that is. This one is in a scent cotton candy. Yay, I'm excited that I got one in cotton candy. So we'll definitely be using this one. Super, super freaking cute. I love the colors of that so much. So what I was saying was it's really hard to use these because I like to put them on display in my bathroom, and it just sucks when they're gone. I've used up all the other ones that I've gotten from her. This one, I have never seen this movie, but look how freaking cute Toothless is. So cute. This one is in Lava Flow Poptail, I'm pretty sure. I'm very curious about what that smells, how that smells. Guys, just look how darn cute it is. I cannot wait to see what color this turns the bath. Adorable. All right, we got a few more here. These ones right here are ones that I am very excited about because I love me some candy and I love Willy Wonka. I've loved the movies, so when she came out with these, I'm like, I need to snag these up. Look how cute this little nerds thing is. And this one is in Strawberries and Bite Me. Freaking cute! I love the colors on this. Alright, and this box smells so freaking good. This one is the one that I can tell you that I'm probably the most excited about because I saw her do a demo on it. Look at that. It's a Willy Wonka hat. And this one is in the scent Jasmine. Ooh, not Jasmine. Jammin' Rock Candy. Now this one is so cool because it has like rainbow coming out from it. I think I might possibly have to use this one tonight. I might have to. So you guys are going to see a video on this one very shortly, but I'm so excited. Gosh, it smells so good. Okay, last but not least is a St. Patrick's Day one. And I'm excited about this. This one is pretty big. This one is in the scent Bite Me. And this is a very, like, hefty bath bomb. It's pretty big. One bath bomb I got from her was, like, super, super huge. And I ended up... Ooh, this has some glitter on top. I ended up, like, smashing it and just giving, like, little chunks of it to Hunter every time he takes a bath because he loves taking baths and he loves when the water's like super colored. And I just bought Hunter some bath bombs that are like the Crayola kind, and and they make his skin itch so bad, but these right here don't irritate Hunter's skin whatsoever. That's what I love about it so much. So I think I'm gonna have to break this one up and let him use this for his baths, but I'm going to for sure soon buy another big bath bomb from her that I can like break up into pieces and give Hunter like in the bath throughout the week. But yeah, super, super cute. I'm so excited, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video of this unboxing. If you did, be sure you hit that like button. So you, hit that like button if you did like this video. Hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I can't talk today. Subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Like I said, go follow Lizzys'fizzies on Instagram. She's amazing. She's so kind. She's coming out with adorable Easter bath bombs. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo!
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't